Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Year 6 students. Okay, today will be our science session for PSR paper 2. So what I want you to do is take your textbooks, okay, the purple one, and turn to page 63. So that will be the continuation of our previous session, which is, yeah. So you will see the title there, section B. So I will not be anymore sharing my screen. I mean the photo of the book, but I will share my screen as a whiteboard. Okay. All right. Good. So what we'll be expecting for this class, I would like you to contribute your best ideas, your best answers. Okay. So let's just make it an open session. I just want this session to be relaxed and chill, okay, while seeing your friends at the same time, answering at the same time. Okay, I just want you to have fun while having your online classes. Again, I'm not forcing anyone to join these online classes. Okay, it's up to you, it's up to your parents. Okay, I'm just doing this as my part. If you want to study, good for you. Okay, so blessings comes to those who are hardworking. Allah loves those who are hardworking. Again, we're doing this for the sake of Allah. Okay? All right. Okay. Let me now share my screen. Okay, welcome, Amiro. Okay, as much as possible, just remain your cameras on if you can. Okay, let me now share my whiteboard. Nice, Amiro. You look handsome. Okay, Amiro. Okay, can you now see my whiteboard, class? Okay, let me turn on your microphones. Okay, can you now see my...
Okay, yes.
Okay. So I'm going to mute some of you, okay? Don't feel heartbroken if I mute you, okay? If I mute you, do not unmute. It means your microphone is making noise. So for example, I want to mute sometimes Anika, maybe. Okay. Okay. For now, Anika is not making noise. Sometimes Akila and Anika is, and then sometimes Hyral. Can someone message Hyral from the boys or call Hyral? Okay. Okay.
Amir.
All right. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Section me. There are two questions for you to choose. Answer only one question. Now, class, normally in PSR, you're only given a choice to answer. Okay. Either you choose section A or section B. Okay. Let me mute everyone first. Okay, so for this case, since we're revising science, okay, I want everyone to cooperate and we will answer everything. I hope my voice is clear, okay? Is it clear, class?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes. All right, good. Okay, let me mute first, everyone. All right, good. Now, so we have here number 1. Figure 10 indicates 4 pupils doing an experiment on sound. Zachariah tapped his hand at the end of the table. Okay, class, this is a year 5 lesson. I know, I hope you recall your lesson in year 5. Okay, welcome Izol, welcome Nadra, welcome Hamid, welcome Marina. Okay, very good guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, I'll share again my screen. I just want to check who just came in. Okay, let me share my screen. Without further ado, let's start. Now, so we have a figure here in figure 10. So we have Roslan, Samsul, Table, Wahid, Zakaria. So the number 1 question, okay, can Shafika read the number 1 question?
Who will hear the softest sound?
Okay, class. So How will you know if you're hearing the softest sounds? Okay, the rules of sound, the further you are, the lesser the volume or the sound. The closer you are, the higher the sound or volume of the sound. Okay, so in this case, Shafika, what should be our answer here? Plus it has to be in a complete sentence.
Roslan will hear the softest sound because he is the furthest.
Okay, wow, that's very complete. I was not expecting that. Okay, so I'll just write here number one. I'll just write here section B. Okay, number one, that's 1A, right? 1A. Okay, I. Okay, Roslan will hear the softest sound. Okay. Well, the answer of Shavika, that's very good because she even put a reason. But for this case, I just want to make it short. Okay. Roslan will hear the softest sound. Why Roslan? If you see the figure here, Roslan is the furthest from Zachariah. Okay, Zachariah is the one knocking the table, not the door. Okay. Okay, number two. May I call on Rizan?
Teacher,
Well, what happened? Yes, Rizan, can you read please the question?
Explain
Explain.
your answer for question part A, I.
Okay, so actually, the because of Shafika should be here, right? Your answer should be here. The reason
Because Roslan is the furthest.
because Roslan is the furthest. Okay, how do you spell furthest? F-U-R?
Thest. I'm not wrong.
Then where's that coming from? Surah An-Nas. Hiram? Okay, I'll meet you first, Hiram.
What, teacher?
No, no, I heard someone talking. Okay. Sorry, I
Oh,
got distracted.
it's me.
Lisa, why are you always making some funny? Okay.
It's not me, it's my mom.
Okay, I know. It's coming from you. I mean from your background. I'm not accusing you. Listen, why are you taking things literally? Okay. Okay, Rizan, focus. Thank you, Rizan. I'm going to meet you. I'll meet you now. Guys, be serious. Okay. Now, next, I want Afik to read the next one. Okay, Afik, how did the sound?
Did the sound made by Zachariah travel to Roslan, Samsung, and Wahid?
Okay, how did this?
Samsung.
Okay, how did the sound made by Zakir travel to Roslan? How did the sound made? Okay, how was sound made? If you remember the experiment of the ruler by flicking, the ruler is what? What's your
Vibrating.
answer? Vibrating. So what is your
Vibrating.
complete answer?
The
Huh?
sound
The sound was
by
made
was made by vibrating.
by vibration. Okay,
Vibrating.
vibration. Thank you very much. Afik. See, if we go like this, we will go fast. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let me just. Okay, now we're at B. We're not B. All right. Okay, so I'll just read. Okay, Ali again here. Okay, can Ali hear any sound when Hamid, okay, hit two spoons together in the water as shown in figure 11? Give a reason for your answer. Now, since it's Hamid here, I will call Hamid. Where's Hamid? Hamid. Where are you, Hamid? Hamid, are you here? Where's Hamid? Oh, Hamid is here. Hamid, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Hamid. Would you know what will be the answer? Can you give a try? Did you understand the question?
Yes.
Okay. Can we try what is your answer here? So can Ali hear any sound when Hamid hit two spoons together in the water? Mm. What is the
Yes.
reason here? Yes. Okay. So answer will be yes. And what is the reason? Yes,
Um,
Ali can hear the sound
yes.
because
Because
sound travel in what? Air, water?
what the
Yes, because sound travel in or through water. All right, class. Thank you very much, Hamid. So it's good because we have Ali and Hamid here. So it's really happening. All right. Let me just. All right, let's move on to letter C right now. Class, are you following? Okay, I hope so. Okay, now
yes,
we're
sir.
at study figure 12. Okay, I don't know if you had this experiment yet, but I have this tuning fork. Have you seen this tuning fork? I had this. Oh, it was in QLab. I did this in QLab. You haven't done this experiment with your previous teacher? Oh, come on, guys. Anyway, I have this tuning fork, but it's at school. It's not with me. Can you give me a second? I want to check my tuning fork, okay? I'll be back. While what do you call this? While I'm looking for it, can you try to answer first, okay? I'll be back. Just 30 seconds. All right. It's not with me. It's at school. Sorry for that. So, what? Okay. Can I ask any volunteers here? Amir, class, you might be thinking I'm always calling the same people. No, I'm just calling who's ready. Yes, Amir. The question is in letter. Yeah, it's on page 64. So we have a figure here, right? So we have a rubber stopper, tuning fork, a ping pong ball. Okay. So when we hit the tuning fork, okay, to the rubber stopper and to the ping pong ball. Okay. So in at page 64, the question says there. Can you read the question? CI. Yeah.
Jamila did an experiment with a tuning fork and a suspended ping pong ball as
Mhm.
shown in figure 12. First, at first, she hit the tuning fork against the rubber stopper several times and then quickly brought it near to the suspended ping pong ball. What did she observe?
Okay. Thank you very much for reading that out. Okay. Can you try, Amir? Did you understand the question? Not really? Not really? Okay, so basically, we have a tuning fork. Okay, I cannot show you right now. I want to show to you because it's an experiment. But unfortunately, based from what you said, you haven't done this experiment yet. Okay, I'm really shocked. I did this with my previous students in year 5. So anyway, yes. So we have this tuning fork and rubber stopper and the ping pong ball. Okay. So what happens? What happens? What did she observe? Okay, let me help you out. Okay, I will answer this one. Can I answer it for you?
Yes.
Okay, good. So the ping pong ball, what will happen to the ping pong ball when it touches the tuning fork? Will vibrates. Okay. Okay. The ping pong ball vibrates. That's it, class. Or you can say it uh, or it will bounce. Okay. Are you following? Are you following, class? Okay. I hope so. Okay, good. Class. By the way, we have 8 minutes left. Okay. Let me check the chat. Okay. We have chat here. Yes. 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 Okay. Oops. From what is? Okay, class. Anytime by now it will end. So please call again. Okay. Okay. So we have here number 2. Explain your answer in CI. Okay. So we have to explain what is the reason. What is the reason? Anyone? Can I ask Amirul? Amirul, would you know the answer, Amirul? Are you there, Amirul? Hello? Amirul, are you there? No response from Amirul. Okay, class. So let me just try to turn on everyone's microphone. Okay. Anyone?
Hmm. Yes.
Anyone could help me out. What is the reason why the ping pong ball vibrates?
Because
Hmm? What is the reason?
um
Okay, I know it's a little bit tricky. Okay, I'll help you this one out. Okay, let me just mute you for a second. Okay, now the vibration of the tuning fork is hitting the suspended ping pong ball. Okay, so the answer is the vibration. Class, do you understand what's happening here? Can the tuning fork is vibrating? Why is the ping pong ball bouncing and vibrating? Because it's hitting the tuning fork that is also vibrating. Macam ano ba? Ako vibrate, lapas to amirol takan ako, amirol pun vibrate. Paham ka? Macam domino effect ba? Lapas to siapa yang takan amirol, for example, Rizal, ato pun vibrate. Contoh kalau ako katawa, semua katawa. Paham nga? You understand, guys? Okay. Okay, so the vibrations of the tuning fork is hitting. Please call again, class. Anytime it will. The ping pong. Class, the answer is very simple. Okay. The vibration of the tuning fork is hitting the ping pong ball. That's it, class. Okay. Are you following? I hope so. Okay. Let's go. I wonder how many minutes left. I think we're now at D, huh? Okay, let me just save this one just in case of. Okay, so do we have here during the thunderstorm, there is a lightning and thunder as shown in figure 13. Number 1 question, which one do we detect first, thunder or lightning? Okay, let me ask this question to Hadi. Hadi, Letter D. I. Thunder or lightning? Come on, just choose thunder or lightning. Lightning, right? Because what is the reason in number 2? We write there the answer in number 2. Because light travels faster than sound. Okay, class, do you remember this? The light always travels faster than sound. Okay, I think we only have 3 minutes left. Okay, so I'll give you time to copy what do we have here. Is everyone following? Okay, welcome Shaza. Welcome. Who else just came in? Okay, very good. Oh, I was not. Oh, welcome Yazid. Okay, I was not expecting we'll be having a lot of students today. Good for you guys. Okay, I'm happy that you're joining. All right. Okay, is everything clear? Again, light travels faster than sound. That's why we are using lightning. That's why we're using lightning uh, uh, rather than the thunder. Okay, if you notice that, always do. If there is a lightning, after 8 seconds, depending on the distance of the lightning, always to Yukira, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18 to 16 seconds, there will be a sound after, right? Yes. What is lightning in Malayo?
Kilat. Kilat.
Ah,
Mana?
okay, kiyasan.
Kilat.
Kalau ada kilat kan, ada yang
Kilat din
macam
ako.
macam ada light niya very bright. Lepas tu 8 seconds or more than 8 seconds ada tu bunyi. Kan? Okay, so it shows that light travels faster than sound. Okay, class. Okay, we only have 1 minute left, so let me just read the number 2. Okay, Shafiq did 2 experiments using smoking machine as shown in figure 14 and figure 15 below. Okay, so we have the figure 14 here. First experiment using unlighted cigarettes. Figure 15, second experiment using unlighted cigarettes. Okay, class, this one is very similar to the experiment what we just did last week, if you remember, right? Especially year 6 yellow. I remember I showed you a video about this one. It's not really the same, but the idea is the same. Okay, so this is quite long, so maybe I will save this one for the next for the part 2. Okay, we got the message. Okay, less than 1 minute. Yeah, I know, I think. That's why I'm just killing the time. I'm waiting for the next. Okay. All right. Let me just stop sharing for a while. Okay. I just want to see. Okay, we only have 30 seconds. Wow, we have 20 participants. Can everyone turn on their cameras? I just want to take a quick photo of who is early. Okay. We only have 20 seconds left. Nice. All right.